Hi guys. So today I was wanting to do a wandering straight pour. I haven't done one in a while. I just thought I had these colors that I really liked. Let me show them to you. So black, I'm using Liquitex Ivory black. There was some satin enamel, black satin enamel in there already. It was a very little bit. Deco art. And I also put some Deco art Obsidian, but I used this in another pour and it just like really took over. So if you use this, use a very small amount. It took over the whole painting, but there's a little bit of this in that black as well. And then I have some Amsterdam Copper. These paints out of the way. I have the One Decor Deep Atlantic Blue. There's a little bit of Cobalt Blue in there as well. This is a mixture of Golden's turquoise and some of this Amsterdam turquoise green. And I have Yellow Deep, Master's Touch Yellow Deep. There's also a little bit of Amsterdam Azo Yellow in it. This is my pearl mixture. It's a mix of Vallejo Pearl Medium and this Beige, natural beige satin enamels. Azo Orange Amsterdam mixed with a little bit, I put a little bit of the Alizarin Crimson Hue Permanent by Liquitex in there, just to make it a more reddish orange. Next, or last, I have Alizarin Crimson Hue Permanent by Liquitex. There might be some other reds mixed in with this, but that's what I mixed in with it today. Alright, so I'm gonna fill my cup. First I need to make sure my canvas isn't wobbling. Fix that just by pulling tack out wherever it's giving you that wobble. So I have my, this is a didn't even say. Oh, doesn't say. That's weird. Strange. I believe it's a 10 by 20, I think. It's a gallery wrapped canvas. I really like these, and I taped and put push pins in the back. I'll start with a little bit of this. Just a drizzle on the bottom. I'll use my yellow. My consistency is about a 3 to 4 second trace. Pretty thick. orange. And then the red. Do black. And some copper to go in between. And then some of this dark green or Atlantic blue. And then I'll use some of my turquoise. Go with this pearl. Back to the yellow. To the orange. And the red. Copper. Dark green again. I keep calling it that. And some turquoise. Top it off with some black. Hope this is enough. This should be. Alright. So there's my cup. Okay, I'm back, guys. So unfortunately this video cuts off. My battery went dead on my phone. But I just wanted to still post it because I really loved this painting. It just doesn't, you don't get to see the finish tilting, which it's pretty short. I got to the composition I liked pretty quickly. But yeah, it's just the end of the tilting that gets cut out, unfortunately. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you all for subscribing and watching my videos. And if anybody hasn't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell, and so you can be notified of any new videos I put out. Alright guys, have a great day and thank you so much. Bye. Well, my video quit working again. I'm running out of space on this phone. I need to delete stuff, but here is the finished image. I'm not sure where it stopped. Turn this light off. Turn that flash on. There we go. And zoom in. I really love how this one turned out. It's really cool looking. The colors go really well together. Red and black is now my new favorite. I'm gonna have to use it a bunch. I just love how that looks, like that area right there. Ugh, so cool, even with the blue. But that red and black, it just glows. Look right there. Oh, wow. Love it. So gorgeous. That's really cool looking too. All those little cells. It just kind of reminds me of like the sun and then a storm coming in, rolling in as the sun's out. I think I'll name it Stormy Skies. Or Calm Before the Storm. Alright, thank you guys for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. I'll try to do more videos. I recently have more free time, so maybe can get some more in. I'm kind of running out of space, though, for painting. I'm sure like everyone is. Alright, you guys have a great day. Bye.